I'm Julia O'Brien. I work for Fifth Dimension Research and Consulting. The kind of research I mainly do in Displayr is brand tracking. I like the idea that we can get this information from people and turn it into something that can actually help make a change. One of the things that's exciting about it as an industry is that it is always changing. There's always new things to do and new ways to look at things and present things. Our biggest challenge before Displayr was the consistent outputs every month. So a lot of what we used to deliver were Excel tables. Probably there were hundreds. Displayr helps us condense some of that. Online means that you can access it anywhere. You can have any number of people who are looking at the same file, and clients and researchers spend less time looking through different versions of tables and more time looking into things that are interesting more deeply. I'm quite proud of what I've managed to create in it, and I think that it's helping make the data that we're delivering a lot more engaging. I'm excited to see what's going to happen next.